If you have a low porosity hair, then you shouldn't sleep on this, because as we all know, low porosity hair tends to resist moisture due to its tightly packed cuticles, causing it to feel dry and lacking shine. And that is where this our wonge combination of eggs and honey comes in. And it's very easy to make. What you need is some eggs or an egg, but I'll be using 2 eggs for mine, and also a natural honey. What you will do is you break the eggs into a bowl and add a few tablespoons of honey, maybe 3 tablespoons of honey or 4, depending on how voluminous your hair is already. Then you mix these ingredients together. You whisk them together until they are both blended properly. Then you start applying from the root of your hair, then you work your way towards the tips. This is me with already sectioned hair. Since I took down my braids, my hair had been this way, and it's time to do the needful. To apply this, I will spray some water to my hair to get it a little bit damped, to be able to absorb the ingredients properly. Then I start applying the mask from the root of my hair and work my way to the tips, making sure that I cover every inch of my hair. While I'm doing this, let's talk about some benefits of each of these ingredients we are using for this hair mask. We all know that eggs are highly rich in protein, and due to this protein content, it helps promote hair strength and elasticity. It also reduces hair loss. It gives a shinier look to the hair. It also repairs damaged hair. It protects hair from heat damage, enhances faster hair growth, as well as reduces frizz. The importance of eggs cannot be overemphasized. We all know that protein treatment is something that we all cannot do without. So if you're not doing any protein treatment to your hair, you should start today if you want to start seeing results. Start seeing that growth you've been dreaming of having in your hair. You need to start treating it. Moving on, honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, which means that it attracts moisture, retains the moisture, and seals this moisture to dry hair. It reduces hair breakage. It helps restore shine to dull hair. It also enhances the softness and smoothness of hair, and in general, it promotes hair growth due to its antioxidant properties. If you have a low porosity hair and you're not adding any natural humectants like honey, aloe vera, shea butter, olive oil, etc., to your hair care regimen, then you're making a very big mistake. Humectants should be your best friend and your go-to ingredients if you want to get a luscious and voluminous hair, because they help to retain moisture into your hair, making it stronger and shinier. Our major problem with a have low porosity type 4 hair is that it easily dries out very fast. As in, any little water you add to it, just give it a few minutes, it's dried out. That is why you need natural humectants to be able to help you lock in that moisture. Trust me, by incorporating these nourishing hair masks into your routine, you will be amazed at the remarkable results you will see. My hair hasn't been the same ever since I started taking care of it, and I'm telling you, as someone who have tried this and who has seen the results. Incorporate natural humectant into your hair care regimen if you have a low porosity hair, because you need it, my sister or my brother. You so need it. After applying this whole hair mask to your hair, make sure it is properly saturated. Apply it very well. Make sure it's properly saturated. After that, I like to cover mine with a plastic bag first, then a shower cap, and then you can leave it on for like 30 minutes to allow the nutrient penetrate deeply. After that, you can now rinse off thoroughly with warm water and of course proceed to shampoo your hair as usual. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification, because On this channel, you'll be getting premium tips on how to manage and take care of your hair properly. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.